Hello, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and a special thanks to Jennifer for giving me permission to send this video over to you guys. I don't want to waste too much of your time. I know you guys are super busy, especially with bug season being up and running right now. I just wanted to show you guys this video, just showing you some free tips and tricks on how to just improve your online relevancy, right, and your online presence. You're probably wondering why I would even take the time to make the video for you. Honestly, I kind of realized earlier this year that a lot of business owners are just way too busy, especially pest control owners, right? They're just way too busy to realize or to grasp the fact that the internet and their website could bring them so much more traffic and so much more money, right? And they're leaving this money on the table for their competitors when they can just be using this themselves. So if I'm honest with you, a lot of the people that I've contacted in the past have used these tips and tricks themselves and have made more money, right? They've done this themselves. And if you're like others, right, that have reached out to me, like some of the clients that I have in Abilene, they've reached out to me like, hey, Jesus, you know what? I could use some help in here, right? And it's hard to know who is a pro and who's not, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and break this down for you just to kind of show you, okay? So there's three things that I'm going to talk to you about today. The first thing that we're going to talk about is content. Then we're going to talk about backlinks, and then lastly we're going to talk about citations. Okay, if you don't know what those things are, no worries. I'm going to break it all down for you. Okay. Now, as I was kind of scrolling through your website, I was just kind of seeing how really simple it was, and it was really easy to navigate. There was nothing hard about it, and I really appreciated that, considering a lot of the other websites that I do see are super crazy and they're not very user friendly. But yours was, right, and I really liked that. But unfortunately, Google cares more about content than the way a website looks, right? And content just basically is the amount of words that are on your page, right? And they also search for keywords. So they send out these little bugs to search, or I should say these little robots to search for keywords on your website. And that'll help you rank, right, in your area of Odessa. So I'm going to go ahead and copy all your content here on your homepage. I'm going to put it in my word counter here just to kind of see where you're at. And you're at 275 words. Now, a really dominant website has anywhere between 1,500 and 2,000 words on it, okay, with relevant keywords such as, let's see, pest control, Odessa, Texas. You've got pest control services, Odessa, things like that, right? Those are some pretty common keywords in your area that I would kind of plug in here somewhere. For example, if you wanted to do like, we are the best pest control company in Odessa, right? Because you've got that keyword pest control company in Odessa, right? And that would help you rank for that keyword. That would help you bring in more traffic and make you more visible in your area, right? Now, the second thing that I want to talk to you about are backlinks. Now, backlinks are just backlinks. I went on ahead and plugged your URL here into my tool here. Now, this is a paid tool. It's called Ahrefs. It just allows me to see kind of what's going on in the background and see kind of the analytics of your website. It allows me to see how many people are viewing your website on average. I just noticed this is not your website, so I'm going to go ahead and copy this here. I'm going to copy it, come down here, paste it here. It's going to load really quick. Now, it just kind of allows me to see, as I said, it kind of pulls the curtain so I can see kind of what's going on in the background, okay? Now, I went on ahead and did the same thing for your competitors, okay, which is Fox Pest or Fox Pest Control in Midland. I know that it's kind of like a dual city area there with Odessa and Midland. And according to this here, these guys have 108 referring domains, and basically what those are just other websites that are pushing traffic to your website, and backlinks are just the number of times that they're doing so, right? So these guys have 108 websites pushing traffic to their website. They're linking to their website, and they're doing that 1,080 times, okay? As you can see here, they have 257 people on average visiting their website per month, bringing them a total of $2,300 in traffic value, okay? Now, if we look at yours here, you have 3 referring domains and 12 backlinks, okay? You've got 1 keyword in total on that homepage. So obviously this is a problem, right? You're going to want to up your keywords. I would see what your competitors are doing here for their referring domains and their backlinks, and put them, just stack them on top of yours. Because the good thing about this is that if they're good enough to rank your competitors, well, then they're good enough to rank you, right? I know you what you might be thinking is that, you know what, Pest is a big corporation. They have locations everywhere, and I completely understand that fear. But I've seen bigger giants get taken down by a mom and pop pest control company. Obviously, I do have some under my belt. So it's not impossible, right? It just takes a little bit of work. Now, the last thing that I want to talk to you about, okay, are citations. Now, citations are anywhere that your company, your pest control company, can be found in a directory. And a directory could be like Yelp. You've got Yellow Pages, you've got White Pages, Home Advisor, gosh, what else? Angie's List. All those are just a few of the citations that I know, few of the directories that I know right off the top of my head. Now, if you were to just plug in your business into those directories, then you'd build your citation list even higher, right? Pest, I'm assuming, has anywhere between 1 to 200. So I'd want to one-up them, right? You'd want anywhere between 250 to 300 just to ensure that you're maintaining this top position here. And the backlinks is what gets you in the top position here. As you can see, they're number 1 in Odessa and Midland and up here. And they're also up here, right? So you definitely want to take that top position if you were looking to outrank your competitors, right? Now, this is where most of the traffic goes, okay? I understand that, you know, if you're like me, you're not looking down here, right, to see to find what you're looking for, right? Yeah, most people trust the map pack here. So that's why I'm saying that it would be easier to outrank your competitor locally if you were to just increase your citations. Now, you're probably wondering where to go from here, right? So you have two options. So option number one would be to just take all this information and utilize it yourself. As I've said in the past, I have had some friends and some other people, you know, business owners that I've contacted have taken this information and utilized it themselves, which is great, right? Which is awesome. If you're looking to outsource some help, you could definitely reach out to me. You might be one of those few clients that, you know, that reach back, right? Especially in the pest control industry, that say, you know what, I would like some help. I would need an expert, right, to kind of show me the way. I could definitely do that for you. If you just want to contact me, if you have any questions at all about the video, you could definitely reach out to me. Thank you once again. I appreciate the time that you guys took to watch this video. You guys have a wonderful day.